Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can use Byteline to sync data between Pipedrive and any other supported app. The use case that I'm going to show is to sync Pipedrive deals into Google Sheet. But this is just a sample scenario I'm showing. But you can use Byteline to sync your Pipedrive data to any other app. And other popular use cases to sync Pipedrive contacts into email systems such as Mailchimp. Okay, so let's start. So here is my Pipedrive account, and I have these deals over here, and I want to sync these deals to a Google Sheet. In my Google Sheet, I already have these two deals, which I have intentionally left just to show you that Byteline can sync existing data as well as any future changes. So what will happen is uh, I have around 10 deals over here. So when we start the sync, so it will sync those the 10 deals into the Google Sheet, and so it's gonna add like 8 more deals and update the data of these two existing deals. So we handle both the existing data and the future changes. Okay, so let's start with the configuration. So you go to byteline.io and then click on login. This is the console from where you can configure the sync. So create a new sync. So I'm gonna pick Pipedrive as the first app. I already have created the connection, which is pretty straightforward. If the connection is not here, you will just get a sign in button, which you can click to go through the connection. So we will sync deals, and then it's going to Google Sheets. And I also have Google Sheets connection here. So we will sync deals to Pipedrive deals sheet, which is here. Um, and as you add more, if you want to give access to another sheet, another Google Sheet, you just have to go to the end and click on permit more spreadsheets. But in my case, like I already have the permissions here. So this is my sheet. And here you can also configure any filters. So say you only want to sync deals based on the status, like for example, won deals or like basically whatever criteria you want. So you can define that in the filter here. And this is we are doing a two-way sync here, but it's up to you if you just want to do one-way sync. You can click on this button, but let's just go with the two-way. In this case, I'm going to sync existing data and future changes, but you have these two other options. The second option is if you just want to sync the existing data, and the way that works is like you can sync based on whenever you need the sync to be done. It doesn't have to be live all the time. And this one is where you don't care about the existing data, but you want to just sync the changes as they are made. So this is our field mapping screen. Um, so here are all the fields on Pipedrive, which is on the left side, and the Google Sheet fields are shown on the right. And you can drag and drop the fields or change the mapping here by easily using this wizard. So for example, if you want to remove this value mapping or the mapping between the value columns, so you can click on that cross button, so it goes over here. But now let's just bring it back. So this is our field mapping screen. So now let's continue. On this screen is shown only if you opt to sync existing data. So you just pick the direction in which the data should be synced. In this case, Pipedrive is our source of truth. So it's going from Pipedrive to Google Sheets. So let's continue. Here, this is just gonna generate the preview. So which will show you when sync is started, how many records we will create and update to sync your existing data. So here I have total 9 deals in Pipedrive. Uh, and it's gonna create 7 records, and then 2 records it will update. So these 2 deals that we already have, so some of the data is not matching with Pipedrive, so it's gonna update just those columns, and then there will be 7 new records. So let's start the sync. So now at this point, historical sync is complete. So we got all this data over here. Um, And so, by the way, this column, we keep the row ID that is used by Byteline. So once you add so try not to change anything in this column. Otherwise, your sync can behave in an unexpected way. So yeah, this column just keep as is. You can also like optionally hide this column. Okay, so now our sync is live, and you can, and here we also show all the records that were updated or created, and you can expand one of these and see like what data got changed. So now our sync is live. So now let's change something in our Pipedrive. So and then we will see that data getting changed in Google Sheets. So let's go to this one, CRM implementations and works. So this one right now is a contact made, and this is the value 12,000. So I'm gonna move this to prospect qualified, and let's also change the value. Let's say our value got increased. So now let's wait for a few seconds for the sync to be done for this record. Okay, so this record change is complete. So let's look at the details. So it changed the value and also changed the stage. So now on this side here, so this one is changed to the prospect qualified, and the value got changed to 18,000. So this is the change went from Pipedrive to Google Sheet. But now you can also handle the changes on. You can also make the change on Google Sheet, and that will be reflected on Pipedrive because this is a two-way sync. So let's see. Let's make a change on this deal, enterprise plan subscription. So let's change the value to 10,000. And then you will see like this change will go to Pipedrive. So let's again wait for a few seconds. Okay, so this change came through. So from Google Sheet to Pipedrive, and as you can see, the value increased from 5,000 to 10,000. So now let's verify this on Pipedrive as well. So this was this is enterprise plan subscription. So here the value got changed to 10,000. Okay, so that's it for this demo. And you can also like as the new deals are created on Pipedrive, they will automatically show up on Google Sheets. So please give it a try. We have a 15 days or 14 days free trial, so you can experiment and see like if it all works out. Thank you.